Creating a GIF is a fun and straightforward process. Here's a concise guide. Gather your content. Prepare the images or video clips you want to include in your GIF. Ensure they are in digital format and ready for editing. Choose an editing tool. There are various tools available for creating GIFs. Some popular options include Adobe Photoshop, Giphy, and online GIF makers like EasyGIF or GIFmaker.me. Import your media. Open your chosen editing tool and import your images or video clips. Arrange them in the order you want them to appear in the GIF. Edit and customize. Depending on the tool, you can edit individual frames, adjust the duration of each frame, add text, stickers, or filters, and make other customizations to enhance your GIF. Preview your GIF. Most editing tools allow you to preview how your GIF will look. Review it to ensure it meets your expectations. Optimize for size. GIFs can become large files. Consider reducing the number of frames, resizing the dimensions, or reducing the color palette to optimize the file size. Export your GIF. Once you're satisfied with your creation, export the GIF in your desired format and quality settings. Make sure to choose the GIF format. Save and share. Save your GIF to your computer or cloud storage. You can now share it on social media, in emails, or on websites. Test your GIF. Before sharing widely, test your GIF on different platforms and devices to ensure it displays correctly.